Hey friends, and welcome to another video. I'm checking out this CRESMIO 3-liter stainless steel vacuum air pot. So this is a good way to keep your coffee nice and warm without keeping it on the burner of your coffee pot, using a bunch of electricity and then getting your coffee kind of super strong, weird taste. Okay, so this has this little pump feature right here on the top. Let's lift that up. I'm gonna pump out some coffee, and just like that, super easy. This can go out of the way. And then if you want to take this off and change it out to clean it, just take that out and rinse it out. Everything about this seems pretty well constructed. Nice stainless steel. Probably keep your coffee hot for a long time. Has a little rotator thing on the bottom and a handle here on top. So if you want to take some hot beverages, you're going to outside barbecue or whatever, you can take your coffee with you. Maybe you on a work site or something like that. Seems fairly sturdy here with this stainless steel outer exterior. Nice plastic here. Everything comes off here, so you can wash it if you want. Press that in there, just pull that out. Not sure. Probably not dishwasher safe, but just rinse it out would be my guess. Anyways, my friends, super handy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.